morning. It's Monday, Easter Monday. I got a text from my boss. He said we are closed today. So you know what that means. I'm off today. Yeah. My pillow's so embarrassing. Anyways, I'm trying to figure out what should I do today. My mom is getting ready to move. So I'm thinking, and she's off on Mondays. So I'm thinking I'm going to go spend the day with my mommy. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go get ready and head over there. It's about 8 o'clock right now. I know she normally leaves around like 9, 10 o'clock-ish. So I'm going to go get ready and then head over and go chill with my mama. So I'll see you guys when I'm done getting ready or throughout the day. Because like I said, I'm going to go see my mom's. Okay? Let's go. So, gonna head over to my mom's. I just talked to her and got her so mad. It's so funny. Like, it's so funny that I can work her up so much, so easily. She's like, you know what? I'm not gonna fight with you or whatever. Because as you guys seen, hello, lighting. What's your problem? Okay. So yeah, as you guys seen in the last vlog, I went to a bridal show. So one of the dresses that I liked, the store is having a sale this week. And I'm normally off on Fridays. I actually don't think I'm going to be off this Friday, actually. But I'm normally off on Friday. So me and my sister were like, let's go try on some dresses on Friday. Excuse me. So my mom, like I said, is moving. And I think she's getting her key tomorrow. So she was saying she'll stay Wednesday at home and, you know, pack up her stuff. So I'm like, why don't you stay Friday so we can all go dress shopping? You can come dress shopping with me. You know, you're buying my dress. Yes, my mom is buying my dress. So you need to come see how much it's going to cost. She was like,
go in May or June when I have time off and whatever, and then do it then.
I mean, I said, no, take the time off. You need to take time off for me. Like, this is something you should be a part of. Like, you need to tell me what looks good, what doesn't look good. Like, you're not going to marry off any more of your daughters. Like, my sister is not the marrying type. She's not going to get married. And this, hopefully, is my only wedding. So, you need to be there.
What?
Like, you need to be there. So, she's just like,
you know what, Zoe? I need to pack up my house, okay? I tell you already, if you go in May or June, I will have all the time in the world. Anytime after that, I will have all the time in the world to go shop and do anything what you want me to do for you, okay? But I need to move now.
I'm just like, you know, you don't care about anybody. You only want people to do stuff for you. When it comes to anybody else, you don't business about them. Whatever. She's like, you know what, Zoe? I'm like, you know what, Mom? Have a great day. She's like, and when she was hanging up the phone, she's like, me not fight with her, you know? But yeah, I'm going to go over there. I'm going to help her. Well, not really necessarily help her, but I'm going to do some stuff in the house to kind of help her out a little bit. She asked me to take down all her picture frames and stuff like that because me I don't own it all one. And so, yeah, so I'm going to do that. And then maybe I'll swing by her shop when I'm heading home, check her for a little bit, and then come home. Because I don't think I'll cook because some people never eat them dinner last night. I have leftovers and my lunch is well unpacked. So yeah, let's go. What's up? So I'm gonna reach at my mother's house. I'm so sad. She's moving. Okay, wait, let me put this TV on pause. Let me pause you. Yes, so she'll move. She start pack up our things them already. The table is bare. I'm getting this TV stand thing because she's taking my computer desk. So I'm getting that. Like, everything is like hacking away. So she asked me to help her take down the rest of the pictures because she cannot reach up there to take them down. So I'm gonna help her with that. My room is gonna be like the most emotionalist part because this is my room. You guys, I was in this room from the age of 2 till 22 to to 22. I was in this room for 20 years. 20 years I lived in this room. 20 years. Ooh, I remember when I had asked Marlon to put these up, so when I started wearing bags and I thought I was all cute and stuff. I'm sorry guys if I went down memory lane before. I gotta go back down here again because my mom is not gonna have this room anymore. This was me and my grad baby picture. Y'all know that picture. This was me for grade 12 pictures. Yeah, grade 12 picture. Y'all remember when you used to write on your door? Ew, why is there a piece of gum here? That's hilarious. Y'all remember when you used to write people's numbers on here? If anybody's number is still the same, I'm sorry. But Shannon, whoever she is, Sasha, I can't remember what Sasha that is. Michaela, Keisha, and then I have over there, when I used to do like a heart, one something, yeah, Bay and me. That was my first Valentine's Day gift to him. I made one for us, me, and one for him. And then I painted my wall and I wanted to get all creative. And now I'm actually gonna take these and make a different wall for my house, a different wall thingy for my house and stuff. My wall is just stuff. Draw. My panty in here? Oh my god. Oh, these aren't gonna fit. Never mind. My god. Oh god. It's my old shower cap from grade 9 swimming class. What do I have awards for? I have an award from Oakdale Park Middle School. Oh, these are all my graduation awards. Female Athletic Leadership. Yep, I got Female Athlete of the Year. Me. You guys, I used to be so athletic. Like, let me tell you, I used to be so freaking athletic. Like, I was playing basketball. I was doing soccer, track. What else did they make me do? What did they make me do that so I could get it? I can't remember what. My gym teacher and one of my grade 8 teachers came to me and was like, you can get so much stuff. Just go do whatever. And that's when I was like so motivated and I cared about life and stuff like that. Whatever. I got this in 2002. Oh, grade 7, first place. 1 kilometer run. Woo! And it says my name on it. It says my name on it. Okay. Yes. I don't know where the rest of my stuff are. Whatever. This is my prom skirt. I was saying I would make my bridesmaids actually look like this. Let me see if it can still fit. Of course it does. But anyhow, so this is pretty much what I had on for prom. And I had on like a corset with it. And whatever. Oh god. And Kashai wore it one year for Halloween. She was a rock star. I loved it. I was so cute at prom. Oh wait, let me not show the people them. I don't have no prom pictures over here. If I can find any other prom pictures where you can actually see my full outfit, then I'll insert it. But that was me at prom, and my prom was an everlasting dream. Runnymede Collegiate Institute prom 2008. Yeah. All right. Enough of that. Let's see what else we got here. I want my pictures. Oh, here's a prom picture. Can't really see it, but yeah. So I just had a corset, and then I just pulled up the skirt over it, and that was pretty much it. With my yellow hair. Who did I think I was? Like, who did I think I was? And now it's red. I think this is gonna be my summer color. Yeah. Zoe Brown. That's me. And this is me at Dolphin Cove. she know. Like, I'm taking this purse from my mom because my mom is not going to friggin' wear it. This is what my mom does. She just gets stuff, hangs them all over her thing or whatever. I'm literally taking the purse because she's never going to wear the purse. And while I could be wearing it before it dry rottens, I'm going to take the freaking purse. Look how cute the purse is. A nice nude pink. Should go off a cost me in here tonight, in here today or tomorrow or whatever the case may be, but or that man do, like, everything is like empty. And you guys, I don't know how to feel. I'm excited that she's moving because she needs to move. You know, like, she's been in this place for, like I said, all right, 25 years she's been here. It's time to go. Like, it's time now. 25 whole years? Like, what do you need to be here for so long for?
Big things, big things, baby, me have to love you, baby. That tight little pussy drive me crazy. And nobody they so sexy, me shine you like Pepsi. Yeah, only for woman want to change me. So much I use see me going to taste me. All when them get me number and text me, me telling them straight, say, you are my baby, my baby. Yeah, that know your boom boom tight, so me have to testify, you are my baby, my baby. Yeah, I do what you like, me never tell no lie. Yeah, you out to my fire, one make your boom boom tight, so me ask me to.
Hey guys. God. So, look. Lord, this is how you know. It's been years. Look at the wall difference. Look at the color difference. Like, anyhow, this wall's done. Gotta take off those ones up there, and then yeah. Tired. I'm so tired. I feel like to just go home and not even go to my mom's, but I'm just gonna go and then go home. I'm not even gonna stay down there long. But yeah, I think I did enough. I took down everything off the walls. I started emptying out one of her something them. So I think my job is done for the day. I think I did my part. Latoya, Tiaja, Kashaya, help Nana finish taking down the rest of her stuff, okay? See? Walls are bare. Oh, there's one picture left. I gotta take that down. Yeah, everything down. I'm gonna start empty that out. Yeah. So, at least once everything's down, I wanted to take down the stuff from the bookshelf, but she doesn't have any boxes, and it doesn't make sense to put those things in bags because it's just gonna bust up. So I'll wait. And yeah, so when we reach, don't gotta shop me. Check in with on the outside. Yeah, hi. Number one question is where you live. Now, when I get this question, it's normally on my Jamaica vlogs. So I don't know how to answer that. It's like, where do I live when I'm in Jamaica, or where do I live like permanently? Permanently, I live